Hello everybody, my name is Jed Albring and welcome to this video on the ClickFunnels webinar template. So you have a couple options inside of ClickFunnels, right? You can go through live webinar or webinar replay to start building your funnel. For this purpose, for the ClickFunnels webinar template, I'm going to take you through a live webinar. Now, obviously you want to go in and name it whatever you want, but let me show you a couple of the template options that you have. Let me try that again. Why is it doing that? Host webinar, live webinar, web, test, web. All right, there we go. So it's going to automatically populate. I might have already used that name before. That's why it didn't let me use it. So it's going to automatically populate the registration and then the webinar confirmation. Now, you can get as detailed as you want, but you'll see here, it's going to auto-populate all of these templates for you to choose from. I mean, these are insane, guys, and these are absolutely free as a ClickFunnels user. So I'll show you some that I've used before that I really like. There's two that I like. One is this one here. This template, I love it because it has a little intro video where you kind of introduce yourself, your webinar. It auto-populates the date. You can reserve your spot. And then down here, it allows you to give kind of 3 tips or 3 secrets. Hey, this is what you're going to learn. So it gets people excited about your webinar, and then they can reserve their spot. And of course, you have the option to do kind of that exit pop, which is nice. And you can change all these colors, images easily. And then another option that is really cool is, where is it? And you don't see a lot of people doing this, but it is truly, truly powerful. Okay, I think this is one that I started. Let me show you one that I started here. So this is what I'm working on, and this is a template here. And what I'm doing here is this would be my opt-in page. But what you have the option to do is put these preloaded videos up here. So as people come in through your webinar, you can send them kind of, stuff to get them excited about the webinar. So this would unlock day 1. Here's a little teaser about the webinar. Day 2, hey, we're going to cover this. And day 3. So similar to what I showed you before about the 3 tricks, tips, that sort of thing. Let's look at this one. So basically what that's doing is, here's the, this is you can put your tricks, tips here, but then what would happen is it would email them videos of, of the tricks to get them excited. So that's just something else you can do within ClickFunnels. This is a really cool one because it's just very straightforward. And obviously, I prefer ClickFunnels webinar templates that are pretty straightforward. And everything, let me show you this, guys, which is cool, is if you go into here, so let's choose one, because I want you to see this. So let me choose one here. I want to show you something really cool here. So when I upload that, it's already going to create my automation for me. So look at this. I can start adding in different actions, right? For people that, did they sign up? Did they not sign up? So you can build your automation within ClickFunnels, which is great. All you have to do is connect your email service provider, and that takes 2 seconds. You can also get pre-built webinar funnels by going to ClickFunnels Marketplace and get free ones. And those will pre-populate the webinars or the webinar automation for you. So that's pretty cool as well. But in a nutshell, guys, let's take a look at this. So this is a ClickFunnels webinar template. There are tons and tons. There's also tons of free options that you can get. You just search, webinar share funnels. I'll put a link below where you can get access to some of these share funnels for free, guys, and a 14-day free trial. ClickFunnels, you can start playing around with this. You can actually start running a webinar with this if you got a webinar coming up in the next few days. And please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.